to my channel. I am starting out by priming my eyelid with the Juvia's Place I Prep I Prime in the shade number 2. So we can go ahead and get a nice little base for our eyeshadow colors. And next, you guys, I am setting my brow bone, setting that concealer that's under my eyebrows with the Crayon Case Chalk Dust Setting Powder. And now, y'all, I am going in with this chocolatey color from the Nubian Mini Palette by Juvia's Place, and I am placing that all into my crease, and I am blending it upwards. And now, y'all, I am taking this beautiful bronzy color and I am just placing that on the middle part of my lid. And next, you guys, I am taking this champagne rose gold color and I am placing that on my inner part of my lid into the tear duct area, y'all. And this shade is so pretty. Just look at it, y'all. Just look at it. And now I'm going back in with that brush that I used for that bronze color, and I am just kind of just taking it and blending in the two bronze shade in the champagne shade, and then I'm going back in with my blender brush and I'm just softening out all of the edges and making sure everything is blended. Next, y'all, these lashes are very natural, y'all. These are my Ardell Remy lashes, and I am placing these on today, y'all. Real simple, real nice, natural type lash. And y'all see? You see how natural that lash looks? And now, you guys, just on a little cotton swab, I am taking my witch hazel spray from Thayer's and I'm just cleaning up under my eye. And of course, y'all, I've been using this primer for the longest, the Makeup Revolution Matte Face Primer. And now I am taking my Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer and I am placing that under my eyes. And y'all, I forgot to go down the bridge of my nose. Gots to do better. And now, y'all, I am going in with my black Opal foundation stick to carve out my cheeks. And now, y'all, I am going in with my CoverGirl TruBlend Matte Made Foundation. And y'all know I love this foundation. And I just wanted to see how this foundation would work with my Juvia's Place concealer. And I love it. y'all, it's time to set that under eye, and I'm using my Crayon Case Chalk Dust Setting Powder. And then I gotta set the rest of my face, y'all, and I'm using my Holy Grail Old Faithful Maybelline Fit Me. And now y'all, just carving out them cheeks a little bit more. I'm taking the black Radiance contour palette and just sculpting out these cheeks, bringing a little bit more definition to this little round face of mine. And we can't forget the nose, baby. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder to go ahead and bring some definition back to my nose, y'all. And now for my glow, I am using the Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter, y'all. Been using this highlighter a lot, but it is a nice subtle shimmer and I love it. So yes, you guys, I'm placing that on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and on my cheekbones. And now y'all, I am going in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline. This is my favorite nude gloss for chocolate skin toned women. And y'all, I love this. This is my favorite nude gloss, y'all. And I'm placing that all on. And of course, we gotta set all of our hard work in, y'all. And so I am using the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. And y'all, I found this fan at the dollar store, and y'all look, just look at me fan. Yes, girl, fan away. And this is the completed look, you guys. I always tell y'all to trust the process, and this is why I say trust the process. Just look at that. Nice, simple, classic, clean. This is an everyday type of look, y'all. I outdid myself with this one, y'all. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.